If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy A57 supports hearing aids, then the answer is yes. And if you want to find settings related to hearing aids, we can open settings, then scroll down a little bit, and we want to proceed to accessibility. Over here in accessibility, we're gonna proceed to hearing enhancements, and then we can find hearing aid support option. In here we can toggle hearing aid compatibility, which adjusts phone's audio so it works better with hearing aids. And there is also a Bluetooth hearing aid shortcut that we can create if we need it. And we have the list of available devices. So if you are trying to pair your hearing aid with your Galaxy A57, you can try to do that over here. And if needed, you can tap on the scan option in order to refresh the list. Also, in case you cannot find your hearing aid here, you can just jump to Bluetooth settings by tapping on the Bluetooth settings text over here, and you can try to pair it in this menu instead. Leave a like and subscribe.